I turned off the light up there, and then see how bright these lights are, these solar lights. I am super impressed with how bright these LED solar lights are. Here is the front yard without the light. I turn off the light, and then let's try to turn on. I moved 4 here to see how it looks here. Let's try to turn them on. I just put them on the path for now. There you go. Because I don't want to dig on the I don't want to touch the ground when it's like nighttime. I'm a little superstitious. So there you go. Look at this. One more time. Look at this with the here. We have floodlights in the front yard and also in the backyard, but there are still some areas in our yard that remain a little dark. So maybe you have the same issue too. I have here a box of solar lights from Whose House. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the brand correctly. This package comes with 6 solar lights, outdoor lights, 6 solar outdoor lights, and this is perfect for like illuminating the pathways in the front yard and also like areas in the backyard where it's still dark. So this comes with like 6. This comes with 6 lights. Here it is. So the package comes like this, as big as this, and it has like, so this is the brand Whose House. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So this is the brand. I'll just show it to you. Here it is up close. And then, so this is a solar pathway light outdoor. Comes with 6 lights. And then, so let's open the package. So it looks like this. So this is LED solar lights, and it's very easy to assemble too. So just put these things together. This is the post, which is like really sturdy. And then the light, and then and there's an instruction too. So this is LED. I'm going to show you how to assemble it a little bit. So this light is LED, and it comes with so it needs about 6 to 8 hours to charge, and the 6 to 8 hours will convert into like 24 hours of like light for you. So when you charge it for like 6 to 8 hours, that can last up to like 24 hours. So this has like 3, it has like on and off switch, and it has like 3 like settings. So you can do like very bright with this 6 to 8 hours of charging will last for about 10 hours. And then if you do it like the middle, it will be about 12 hours. It lasts about 12 hours. And if you do it like light, like the lowest, then it would give you, it will last for like 24 hours. So you have 24 hours of light from 6 to 8 hours of like daylight charging from the solar. So I'll show you how to put this together. And then this is the post, so you just put them together, and then you put the light here. And also like this has look at the solar panel. Look at the solar panel. Look how wide the solar panel is. So this is wider than the typical solar lights, which means it would charge faster. That's why you only need 6 to 8 hours of charging for it to last like 24 hours. So you put it here. you put this here, and then you put this here, and then you post it. See, it's like 1, 2, 3 step, and that's it. And there is this switch, the on and off button, and then there's also like 3 settings for like when you want it like really bright, like what I said, really bright. The 6 to 8 hours of like charging solar will last for about 10 hours. And then for the medium one, like the middle one, it will last for about 12 hours. And if you put it into the lowest like setting, it will charge for about it will give you light for about 24 hours. So this is the different modes of lighting. I'm not sure if you could see. So you have the mode 1, the low light mode, and then the mode 2 would be like the highlight mode, and then the mode 3 would be the breathing light mode. The mode 3 would be like the middle, like sort of the middle between the low and the high. So the middle will give you like 12 hours. You only need like we only need about like 10 hours of light. So this, like, I will put this on the highlight, so it will be like bright enough for the pathways or the walkway. And then so let's try to put this in the yard, and I'll show you how to put this on the yard, and at the same time I'll show you when it lightens up the pathway. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and our auto drip sprinkler system is on. And then we are here to put this solar lights together and install in the garden. These are the features. These solar lights are waterproof, they are heat resistant, they are frost resistant, and they have a 12 months warranty. Like what I've shown yesterday, this is like a 1, 2, 3 steps. So you have this where the light is with a large solar panel, and then the switch button, and then you install this here like that. So this is the first step. The second step is to install this here, and the third step is to just put this here. See how easy it is? So you have this. So I have 2 now, and then I will assemble the rest. Please check the link down below. This is available at Amazon, and I'm going to put the discount code on the screen. So let's install this now, and then I'll show you how it looks tonight when it's dark. I'm going to show you how easy it is to insert on the like soil. So here, and then you just insert it like that, and see, it's already inserted in the soil. It's already installed. Like, it's very easy, and then it's like pretty sturdy too. And this is the on off like button. I'm going to show you later after it is charged by the sun power. So this is, it has like on off, and then the 3 modes: the bright, the middle one, and then the low light. Let's install one here at the corner like that. See how easy? So it's dark like this in here. Now let's try to turn on this like lights. Let's start with this one. Where is the switch? There you go. So this is the brightest, and I think this is the middle, and this is like off, low, high, and then middle. See how bright it is? There you go. The last one. Okay, let's look at this from afar. So there you go, see how bright it is from earlier compared to earlier when there was no light. So now though, you could like see the walkway. Great thing about this one too is that it has the on and off switch, unlike the other solar lights where it just like turns on. So if you don't want the light, if you want it dark, then you can just turn them off. So this is how it looks now when turned on. See the big difference? Here is the backyard garden without the light. And look how bright it is. Here is the front yard without the light. I turn off the light and then let's try to turn on. I moved 4 here to see how it looks here. Let's try to turn them on. I just put them on the path for now. There you go. Because I don't want to dig on the I don't want to touch the ground when it's like nighttime. I'm a little superstitious. So there you go. It's really bright compared to earlier. So I turned off the light up there and then see how bright these lights are, these solar lights. This is brighter than the typical like solar lights. Very bright. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.